We have moved this winter and I have a very small yard now. I need to know how far the summer sun will shift to put my summer veggie garden in the best spot. Thanks so much. This is Maggie from Germantown, Tennessee. Well, welcome to Germantown, Tennessee, Miss Maggie, right? But she has a small yard. Right. She wants to grow vegetables. Okay. So what do you think?
Well, it's hard to tell from the picture that she sent in because we don't know exactly which direction the house is facing. We don't know if there are trees around it that are going to leaf out. But as we move into the spring, as the trees do leaf out, I would suggest she just take a look around her yard and pay attention to where the sun is throughout the hottest, strongest part of the day, where she's getting about 6 hours of that full sun, and that would be her prime spot for a vegetable garden.
I would do the same thing, Jill. That would be my recommendations. Tell her, Miss Maggie, to go out and make sure you get a spot that has at least 6 hours of full sun. 8 hours would be good, but at least 6 hours, for those summer veggies. Stake it out. Get the bed ready. Get your soil tested.
Yes.
I think you'd be ready to go with those summer vegetables, but that's exactly what I would do. We hope you loved the video. We would love for you to ask more questions. Be sure to leave those questions in your comments.